everyone, we're going to go ahead and do a quick how-to video on how to access Seesaw and how to respond to the weekly Seesaw assessments for math. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the home page for our class website. It should say 5th grade spring 2020 at the top. You'll see our schedules. Then go ahead and go over to the math tab. You'll see Seesaw weekly assessment. Click on that. This page will have all the instructions for how to access Seesaw. First thing you're going to want to do is click on either of these links, whether you've created an account with Seesaw or not, or whether your student has created an account with Seesaw or not. Once you click on either of those links, you will end up here. Go ahead and click on I'm a student. Here you can put in the text code. This text code is this code right here. This code will be valid until April 14th, so that's next Tuesday, I believe. We're just going to go ahead and copy and paste. Copy and paste. Nice. Excuse me. Okay. I already have my email attached as my sample student, so I'm going to continue with Google. And your student should do this too, and they should use their Gmail addresses supplied to the district. And this is the Gmail that they use to access all of their other information that we have been using. And if you have questions about that, definitely reach out. So we're going to go ahead and continue with Google. I'm going to click on this email because that's what I'm using for this. Nice. And it takes us to the home page of Seesaw. You will see it says Miss Tara's 5th grade class in the corner. Make sure you're in the right class. And there's a couple things I want to draw your attention to. The first thing is activities. So over here where it says activities, that's where you want to click on. That's where you want to be to access our the prompts for the assessments. So if I want to add a response, I go ahead and click on Add Response. And your student can demonstrate their understanding through, oh, hello, did not mean to do that. Yes. They can show their understanding through taking a photo of their work or making a video, or they can upload a video that maybe you already have taken of them showing their work. I'm going to click on Drawing because this one allows you to draw out what you're doing while they're explaining what they're doing. So it's a pretty visual and helpful tool, and you'll see the tools on this side. There's a microphone. So you'll click that when you're ready to record or when they're ready to record their speech on top of their work. When they are done, they are going to click on this green check mark. Once they click on that, it's going to say waiting for teacher approval. So it's going to come to me. I will comment, give them feedback, and I'll either send it back for them to make corrections and resubmit, or I'll hit approve. Once it's approved, you can click on journal. And here you can see student work that has already been submitted and is now visible for other students to see. So let me know if you have any questions, and good luck.